Hey guys, Mr.III here, and welcome to Let's Make Some Money. This is episode 6. If you're new to the channel, don't forget that like and subscribe. So, if you guys haven't read the title, I've done it. I finally made $100 in about a month, which is pretty good. I'll quickly show you guys here that our market gains are $109.36. And over here they show 112, but that's, earned dividends added into that. And also, if you're new to the stock market and want to try this out, here's some free money. You can get $10 that quick. Just click that link. And then we could become friends. If you guys saw last week's episode, you could tell something's a little different in my portfolio. Instead of rocking about 300 and change, we're at 500. Well, that's because I actually did add, right here, as you can see that spike, $100 on that Monday, which I told you guys on the weekend that I had a little feeling. And, well, good thing I kept my gut with that, and you can see the results. That's actually the steepest incline I've actually had in my whole portfolio here, which is kind of odd, thinking how a lot of negativity is happening. We've got Corona, the protests that's still going on, and heck, everyone's saying something's gonna happen bad. Like, I was freaking out when I watched Grant Stephan's video over here that everything is gonna be dropping. So I was like, shoot, do I have to start selling or what's going on? Since, like I said, I'm new, but I'm looking at this thing and I'm having a 36.59% return. I'm feeling pretty good about that. Oh yeah, so quickly to show my proof that, well, it's a little over a month, but doing the date of my first investment, April 15th, and then ending off on the Friday, June 5th. I did not include weekends because the stock market does not roll during that time. And as you can see right over here, we have 37 days. Checking my activity, these are the dividend payouts I've been receiving. And I did deposit $100, which I said on Monday. But interesting thing, which I found out, it did not use the whole $100. And I was trying to figure out why. And then I was looking at the stocks that were purchased. And I looked at the total. I'm like, wait, 37 buys? I have more than 37 in my account. I have 44. What's going on? Well, if you look and you have that auto invest on, it's going to choose the stuff that's, weak and help that out. So stocks that were doing strong, such as my energy transfer, it didn't receive anything of that, $100. So that's why I have a cash balance of $8.97, but that's also from my paid dividends added into there. And it will not let you deposit unless you have $10 in that cash balance, which, to be honest, I was just trying to add a fraction of something, $5 of this, and it's in there already. So I would think it should take it, but learn something new. All right, so you guys probably want to see what is doing well in my pie, and clicking it right there, gonna get our gains up, and as you can see, our cruise lines are up on top. Receiving the most over here, about 13, 17. Wait a sec. How's that the highest in gain? Well, I guess so. But yeah, the energy transfer right there. And then our malls even came back. So as you can see, these four right here are positive at least $10. And everything else is looking pretty well. Or looking pretty good too. Just checking down here. So we have just the 3 negative down here, and our PP, PG, and ED. I guess no one really wants to drink Pepsi right now, they're just going to Coca-Cola. But yeah, if you guys see anything good in here, you're free to use. This is all educational. Of course, you're, doing it at your own risk. The way I'm seeing it right now, I'm actually having a pretty good market gain, higher than choosing a index fund, but of course, I'm not a financial advisor and I really don't know how things are going to turn out, down the road. So this may be good until everything levels off, or hey, I may skyrocket here. But I'll probably add the extra dollar and change here to make it $10 and add in my energy transfer because I just like that company. All right, so I'm just going to finish it off over here. If you guys have any constructive criticism, throw it at me. I'm trying to learn and figure out what's the best way, but right now I'm feeling good. Hopefully I'm not ahead of myself. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'll try to answer it the best. Like I said, I'm not an accountant, or I did not major in business. I'm more healthcare. But anyway, that's that. You guys know, if you want to start it out, just use my link or someone else's. Just make sure you get that $10, which I did not get in the beginning. And good luck. All right, so let's make some money. You guys have a good week.